What's up guys, JD Nichols here with the Old Man, and today we are shooting quick and easy how to replace a light bulb on 2008 Jeep Patriot. Same thing for a compass too. Okay, so first thing first, the bulb that you're going to be replacing is H13 bulb, and it's kind of really easy actually. Go ahead.
You see this bulb, just like this push take out.
So you want to do the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So
yes.
Just go around.
Look at this.
Okay, so both of the headlights or head bulbs are accessible. So they're right here on top. Both of them, both sides, are easily accessible. And what you do is you do the quarter turn to the left, so your lefty-loosey, righty-tighty still applies here. A nice little quarter turn.
Push this.
Push down.
Take out.
Alright. So red tab down, and then there's a little push tab, and then the same goes for installing it.
First every time, first you check. First you check if work or no work. See that work. Turn off the light. That's it. Put back. You see it, a little bit. That's it. Finish. And you push inside red. You see? You push inside red.
And done.
Clip. Done. Now it's finished.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.